If anyone here can open this puzzle box, they can get a prize. And you can see here that it does in fact open.
All right, you got 3 minutes. I'll give you a hint. Even if you have the pattern right, it has to be very precise for how it's lined up. Yeah, 30 seconds. All right, nope.
Can the social media guy open up the puzzle box?
We're gonna find out. Hold on, I think I figured it out. No. Wait. See, the arrows are lined up here, but then not here.
Adam, it's officially taking you a minute.
Hey,
How you feeling?
I get 3.
Yeah, that's a third of your time gone though.
It sure is.
Adam, 2 minutes have elapsed.
That they have. That they have.
Adam, you have 30 seconds
I
left.
don't think I'm gonna get it.
Oh no, it's a-okay. We're just trying to embarrass him.
All right, I think I cave. I think I give up.
You got 15 seconds.
I'm sure I do. It's not coming. All right, let's have proof that it opens. Now I want to see it. No, I just want to see what the pattern is.
There's your proof. Aw, poor Adam.
You get 3 minutes.
Oh, 3 minutes.
The two top things. Just like
Ah! And you get the prize. A little keychain. Nice. All right, can the painter do it?
It's
just a puzzle though.
No, I don't.
Pretty simple.
No, I don't. I'm dumb. I didn't turn it over.
Are you kidding me? Under a minute. The top 2 levels come off. You give up?
Yeah.
All right. It definitely opens.
They're aligned on both sides. Yeah, they're aligned on both sides. I don't know if they do. I don't know either.
Do you give up?
No.
Do you give up?
Okay. Supposed to be a hint on the puzzle.
I don't know. Ah, you did it! So, what's your prize? Pull it out. Got a dragon tail keychain.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, all I did was move the top.
That's all you did?
Yeah. But I moved the middle. Too.
How did my 8-year-old get this?
You got 15 seconds.
Well, I'm not gonna get it.
My Let me do it. I'll read it. I'll show you how to do it.
No, I don't want you to show me.
And time.
What the hell? I want to keep trying though.
So you just gotta follow the arrows and line them
So
up.
it is the arrows.
You just gotta line them up just right.
I knew it. I knew it.
I had the arrows. I must have did it wrong.
Yeah.